When your automatic transmission starts banging into gear with enough force to spill your coffee, it is not just a nuisance, it is a serious cry for help from your pressure control solenoid eye. This particular issue sets the P2728 trouble code, and you really need to take this one seriously because if you keep driving while the transmission is slamming into gear, you could cause permanent internal damage that will cost way more than a simple sensor fix. Your automatic transmission is a masterpiece of hydraulics, where bands and clutches need fluid pressure at the exact right millisecond to keep things smooth. These pressure control solenoids are the conductors of that orchestra, and when solenoid eye goes out of range, the whole performance falls apart. You might notice your fuel consumption going through the roof, the transmission slipping during shifts, or the car falling into a limp mode where it feels like it has no power at all. Before you start looking for a whole new transmission, I always recommend checking your fluid level and the condition of the oil first. If that fluid looks like burnt syrup or has silver flakes in it, you are likely looking at a mechanical failure. Check your service records too, because a clogged filter can starve these solenoids of the pressure they need to function. Once you are sure the fluid is fine, move on to a visual inspection of the wiring harness and the connectors. Look for any green corrosion on the pins or melted plastic from being too close to the exhaust. For the advanced steps, you will need a digital multimeter to perform continuity checks. Unless your specific manual says otherwise, you are looking for 0 ohms of resistance in the wiring. Always make sure you do these tests with the power off so you do not accidentally short out the PICM and turn a small problem into a total nightmare. It is also very common for people to mistake this for an engine misfire because of the way the car jerks. So do yourself a favor and verify the solenoid operation and the valve body for any blockages before you start throwing parts at the engine.